him?
What happened, huh? See what he's on that? Oh, no, you can't get back there. No, you got to drop off. You got to fall over here. What are you going to change the rim or something? No, you can't do it.
And I still ain't got no license.
Little man tatted up, chains on. So I finally get to catch you in action. That was fire too.
Oh, he famous, bro. Instagram famous.
Flex.
Alright, bro. Tell you Instagram famous.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
I mean, Instagram famous.
TikTok.
TikTok too.
He fresh to death too.
Where your camera at, bro?
I can't find my damn tripod.
What up, bro?
Hey, what's up, bro?
That's why I said finally get to catch you in action. What Ace at? He popping out?
He's here.
Okay, he already moving around.
Yeah, he's trying to come in with AD.
Okay, okay. Cool. Yo, man, y'all might see me post the homie up. Checking out his work, man. He keep Florida boys right on these big rims, man. Run into some things. South Florida.
What's up, homeboy?
What up, my guy?
You know what's going on.
You know I had to pop out for the boy. I see you working. Stay working.
Stay working, dog. Stay working. They'll give a nigga a bird reinforced. So how would you push it back out? That part? Yeah. You have to like put something on it to put something on it, yeah. Damn, dog. Look down from underneath and look at the bottom control.
Bro got some real issues going on with this thing.
Yeah, bro. Damn, that's crazy. Listen, the man told him, bro, you gonna drive it, slides off, whatever.
Yeah.
Fuck that shit. I'm finna dog that bitch. I'm finna throw it down there. I say, bet.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, right. If they know if they got me, bitch, they can do this shit.
You almost got them done over there, sound like. Just like that.